Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy beer at home. Home brewing can seem daunting, but with a few simple steps, you can create delicious beer right in your kitchen. We will cover everything from gathering your basic equipment, like a 5-gallon fermenter and an airlock, to enjoying your very own handcrafted brew. It is a rewarding hobby that is much easier than you might think, and we will guide you through each stage. Once your equipment is sanitized, the next step is brewing your wort. This involves steeping your specialty grains in hot water, typically around 150 degrees Fahrenheit, to extract the fermentable sugars. After removing the grains, you will bring this sugary liquid, called wort, to a rolling boil for 60 minutes. During this boil, you will add hops at specific intervals to achieve the desired bitterness and aromatic qualities for your beer. After the boil, it is crucial to rapidly cool your wort down to around 70 degrees Fahrenheit. This prevents unwanted bacterial growth and prepares it for the yeast. Once cooled, you will transfer the wort to your sanitized fermenter and pitch your chosen yeast. The yeast will then begin converting the sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. Allow this fermentation process to occur for 1 to 2 weeks in a dark, temperature-stable environment. The final step is bottling your delicious homemade beer. First, ensure all your bottles are thoroughly sanitized. You will then add a small, measured amount of priming sugar to each bottle. This will create the carbonation. Carefully siphon the fermented beer from your fermenter into these prepared bottles, leaving about 1 inch of headspace. Cap them securely and allow them to condition for 2 to 3 weeks at room temperature before chilling and enjoying your handcrafted brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.